nandito ako ngayon sa BYD. Just to let you know. Ayan. And if you have no idea what BYD is, they are an electric car company. And we're gonna get inside. Titignan natin, guys. And magte-test drive tayo. We're gonna, ask everything you wanna know about electric cars. And if that interests you, guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Ooh. Louis, are you expecting me, sir? My name's Louis.
My name's Warren. Ito yung entry level namin dun sa mga EV namin. We call it BYD Dolphin. Starting at 1,398, 1,398,000.
Full charge po nito is 405.
Kilometers.
So meaning that is from San Fernando to Baguio and then Baguio coming back to San Fernando. Yeah.
Same as ICE, they call it internal combustion engine. Yung mga the gasoline na engine natin. Same, it depends on how you drive the vehicle.
Yes.
So driving habits tayo.
Correct.
Diba? So just in case mabitin ka ng konti, we have charging stations sa Rosario and then we have in SM Baguio. 50 na lang, 50 kilometers a day. So 400, that's 8 days bago ka
Full charge.
mag full charge. Or you can charge naman in
Yes.
between.
Yeah, in
Pero
between.
ang point doon, nasa safe mo yung 8 days travel mo. Magkano yun? If you're doing 10 kilometers per liter, 50 kilometers, so 5 times 60. So you're spending 600 per day. 600 times 5 days, that's 3,000 pesos a week ang savings mo. And second thing, wala tayong maintenance. Kasi wala tayong mga moving parts sa engine. Wala tayong engine.
Okay.
Wala.
Okay. Can we show that?
Yes, of course. So this is what we have. We have the inverters. And ang nagpapalamig sa kanyang battery is yung cooling system din yung AC natin.
Oh.
Kasi the battery has to run at a certain temperature or para perform siya ng proper.
So, Sir Warren, that was our Dolphin.
Dolphin, yes. EV, 405 kilometer range.
405.
Yes.
Alright, so for this one, you call it?
We call it Atto 3 Premium Edition.
Okay.
So, when you say Premium Edition, you'll notice po na meron siyang panoramic sunroof.
Okay.
Yep. And then from in front, sir, you see the ADAS sensor.
Yun, yung sa harap.
Yes. So that is for adaptive cruise control. Those things.
Okay.
Please have a seat, sir.
Alright. What are these seats?
Those are guitar strings. Naka-tune yan, ha? So have a seat. Start. No, this one, start.
This
one. Yes, that's this one, it's a little bit techy ng konti. Hi, BYD. Open all windows.
It opened.
Hi, BYD. Open sunroof.
So voice control, no sir?
Yes, sir. Lane departure assist. So when you go out of your lane, nasa-sense niya.
Yeah.
So I'll give you a warning.
What do we call it pa?
We call it hand.
Hand.
Yes, hand. Please have a seat, sir.
Alright,
Yep.
I will. Wow.
Yep.
This is luxury. Wow.
And close this one. Shall we remove the best thing is to sit at the back. Dapat may driver ka dito.
Really?
I'll show you why.
Nagpa-pop out?
Thank you, sir.
Nagpa-pop out, sir?
Yes, sir. Pops out. Let's start with your seat. Let's recline your seat. Now, if you're here, mas mahaba yung paa ng passenger natin. We can move it.
Sunroof.
Sunroof as well. You also have access sa ambient light natin. So they're red. Tama ba? Red. You can change
Yun.
Yeah, you can change them now to blue. Hey BYD, open all windows.
So, this time guys, we're gonna do test drive. Siyempre, una muna si Sir Warren. Later on, okay lang bang matry ko?
Of course, sir. Of course.
Okay. So, this model is called Atto.
Atto 3, yes.
Atto 3. And then, ito yung ano niya, reverse monitor.
Yes.
So, meron tayong 360 at saka yung mismong ano, rear natin.
Okay, we're good to go.
What? What?
There you go.
Wow, that's zero from ano, sir?
No, it's very responsive because
Yes.
the torque of the vehicle is always on top na. Hindi siya yung parang progressive.
Yes.
So, nandun na kagad yung torque niya. That's why very responsive siya. So, sa overtaking, hindi alanganin.
Yes, hindi ka...
The second thing is the turning radius of the vehicle. Very minimal lang siya. There you go.
Alright, so trying BYD for the first time. Okay,
Go.
Alright. Alright, so we are finally here at Mega Dike. Eto, so this is...
Ooh! First time ko maging passenger na.
Yeah.
But still kulang pa rin siya.
Yes. So this one has parang auto sensing din or what do you call
Yes,
it?
it has.
Kasi parang narinig ko siya nung
It has.
lumalapit ako
Yes.
sa ano.
Yeah.
Parang walang problem to. Parang okay lang sa kanya yung ano, yung stiff. Okay. So ito yung tatry natin. I think this is like ano to, sir?
Ilan
30,
legit yan?
35?
Yes, legit. Yeah.
35, okay. So let's try it. Usually kukuha ka ng ano, 'di ba?
Well,
Pero shall we try it like ano lang?
yeah,
Okay,
like
normal.
sir.
Galing. Galing.
So,
yeah.
you'll be confident on
Yeah.
driving the vehicle on those
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
gradients or uphill.
Yeah. So, Sir Warren, thank you earlier. That was a great experience. I don't get that every day.
Wow, good.
Pero the experience was really good. I can really attest na these are the vehicles of the future.
It is.
No?
Yeah.
And good thing, here in Pampanga, we started this one. Siguro, sir, a few questions for those interested na kumuha nito. So, siguro mga frequently asked questions sila, sir. Ano yung price range natin? So, we have 4 units.
Yeah, we have 4 units starting at the Dolphin. We're selling at 1,398, 1,398.
Okay.
And then we have the mid-size crossover. They call
Crossover.
it Atto 3. We have Dynamic at 1,598. And then the premium edition that comes with sunroof and adaptive cruise controls. We're selling at 1,798,000. And then we have the luxury sedan. We call it Han EV. We're selling at 3,113,000. And then this car that we have, the 7-seater, we're selling at 3,321,000.
In terms of financing naman, sir, is it just straight payment? Do you have bank partners? How do we deal with it?
We are currently now accredited with BPI, RCBC, Maybank, and BDO. We're getting the accreditation, and also PS Bank. Most of the banks here in Pampanga and in Manila accredited kami, or we accept their bank purchase order. And we also have the low down payment schemes.
Okay.
Wherein the banks like BPI, they're giving 20% down payment up to 7 years to pay.
7 years.
And then they have some promotions, like some banks, they have some promotions with us, giving us free chattel and free insurance as well. We are located at Villa del Sol, Magliman, city of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Okay.
Our operating timings are 8:30 in the morning up to 5:30 in the evening. Monday up to Sunday.
Okay. Do we have a Facebook page or a contact number po to
Yes, we
contact
have Facebook page na lang po. It's BYD Pampanga.
you?
BYD Pampanga.
All right. So that was an experience, Sir Warren.
Wow,
Thank you very
nice.
much.
Thank you, sir.
How do you feel about being in the video for? Is it your first time or what?
It's my first time, but no, I enjoyed
Yes.
most of your driving.
Yes, really,
I really enjoyed.
So that was like
No one drove like that before na ako nakaupo. Really, kasi lahat natatakot.
Yes.
It was really
I
nice.
felt the confidence in the unit.
Yeah. Cool. And it's just basic lang po siya.
Yes.
And the cars, it's not complicated
Yes.
at all.
Yes.
Hindi siya komplikado.
Thank you very
Sir,
much.
maraming salamat. I enjoyed the driving, really. More than the video.
Really?
Really. I really enjoyed. Kasi wala pong nag-drive. I drive like you.
Yeah.
I drive fast.
Really? All right.
Drive fast. You're a good driver.
Thank you. Please. So thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Bye.